Hello everyone, so now here on this video I'll be showing you how to change an LCD for A03 Samsung from the old one to put the new one. So the first step is to remove all the screws from the phone. You have to remove all the screws from the phone. So now we are done removing all the screws. You have to remove the parts that is necessary so that you'll be able to change the LCD. Okay, now we are using the heat gun to heat the phone so that it can be easy to remove the old LCD from the phone. Now we remove the LCD. Now we have to clean the frame so that the frame could be clean before we put the new LCD. So now we have to test the new LCD if it's working or not. We have to test the new one if it's working or not. Okay, now we see that the LCD is working. Now we put the glue on the frame. We put the glue on the frame. We put our new LCD so that it can be intact with the frame. We put everything back together as it was, not missing anything. Okay, now we are putting back the screws. You have to put all the screws back. Don't miss any screw. Okay guys, we are done. Now put back everything. We put back the back half of the phone. Everything is done. We put back everything. Switch on the phone is coming on. Test the LCD is working perfectly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this.